Hello, my dear students. This is your subject teacher of mathematics, and I'm here again with remaining exercises of Unit 7, more on multiplication from your textbook. So, my dear students, in our previous video, we had studied about the topics multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4, and multiplying by 6. Now, students, today we are going to discuss about our next topic, that is order in multiplication. So students, exercise 7.1 is already completed. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is order in multiplication. Students, you can multiply two numbers in any order, so their product will be the same. For example, 5 groups of 4 or 5 fours. So students, here look at these leaves. So there are 5 groups of leaves, and in one group there are 4 leaves. So students, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Or you can say that if there is 4 groups of leaves and there are 5 leaves in one group, so students, here you can write like this: 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, and 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. So students, this shows that 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 5, because in both answer, because the answer of both is 20. So this shows that 5 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to each other. Now students, look at here 4 birds in this branch and 4 birds in this branch. It means 2 fours. So students, 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. So there are total number of 8 birds. Now in next, students, there are 4 branches of trees. So in one branch there is 2 birds. So there are 4 times 2. It means 4 twos. You can say that 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So here the answer of both is 8. So this shows that 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4 multiplied by 2. Students, look here. How to show a multiplication on a number strip. Students, here 4 threes or 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. Students, here now students, here also on number strip. So students, here 2 fours or 3 multiplied by equals to 12. Like here, from 0 to 4, 1 4, and 4 to 8, 2 4, and 4 to 12, 3 fours. It means 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Or you can say that this shows that 3 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. So that means 3 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to each other. Now students, multiplying 2-digit numbers. Now we are going to learn how to multiply 2-digit numbers. So students, there are 11 pairs of shoes. How many shoes are there in all? So students, you know very well, in one pair of shoes there is two shoes. Students, so if there is 11 pairs of shoes, how can we find it? Students, 11 times 2 or 11 multiplied by 2. Doing this multiplication, we can find the total number of shoes. So students, to do this, we have to do two steps. So let's come to the first step. Write the numbers in columns. So students, first of all, first number is of two digit number. So at ones place and tens place, you can write 1 1 respectively, and at ones place where you write the greater number 1, after this you can write here 2 below the 1. Now students, let's come to the step 2. So first of all, multiply the ones by 2. So here 2 is written. So let's multiply 2 by 1. So students, 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Now let's come to the step 3. Multiply the tens by 2. So when we multiply tens, that ones, that is 2 by 110, it means 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. That means there are 22 shoes in 11 pair. Students, let's come to the exercise. Let's practice it. Exercise 7.2, multiply. So students, now we are going to multiply two digit number. Here we have to multiply 42 by 2. First of all, we have to multiply the ones. It means 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Okay. Now we have to multiply the tens. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Right? So 84 is the answer. Okay. Now in next, you have to do the same process from 2 to 16. And I hope you understood it very well, so you can do it yourself. Now students, question number B, solve these sums. So let's solve the story sums. There are 21 candles in a packet. How many candles are there in 4 such packets? So students, to find out the total number of candles, what we have to do? We are going to multiply 24 and 4 to get the total number of candles in 4 packets. So students, let's multiply 21 and 4. So as you know that first of all we multiply the ones. So 4 multiplied by 1 equals to 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So students, there are 84 candles in 4 packets. Now students, second question, there are 11 animals in a river. How many animals are there in 9 rivers? So students, here we have to find out, if there are 11 animals in a river, so how many animals are there in 9 rivers? So to find out this, let's multiply. Students, first of all, you can write 11 multiplied by 9. Step 1, multiply the ones. So 9 multiply by 1 equals to 9. Second step, to multiply the tens. So 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 9. So students, there are total 99 animals in 9 rivers. So this was the story sums of this exercise. I hope you understood it very well. Now students, let's move on to our next topic, that is multiplication with regrouping. So students, here regrouping ones. There are 4 notebooks. Each notebook has 24 pages. How many pages are there in all? So to find the number of pages, multiply 24 by 4. In step 1, you can arrange the numbers in column like this. Now in step 2, multiply the ones by 4. So students, here when you multiply 4 by 4, you will get 16 as answer. So students, in step 3, regroup 16 ones into 110 and 6 ones. So here you can write 6 at ones place and 1 as a carry. Now at step 4, multiply the tens by 4. So students, when we multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. Now students, at tens place there is 1 carry. So you have to add 8 and 1, you will get 9. So you have to write 9 at the tens place. Now students, there are total 96 pages in 4 notebooks. Now students, next topic is regrouping tens. So there are 6 bunches of flowers and there are 21 flowers in each bunch. How many flowers are there in all? To find the number of flower, you have to multiply 21 by 6. So to do this, some steps are given here. Step 1, multiply ones by 6. So students, when you multiply the ones by 6, you get 1 multiplied by 6 equal to 6 ones. And in step 2, multiply the tens by 6. So 2 tens multiplied by 6 equals to 12 tens. So students, 12 tens equals to 102 tens. So there are total 126 flowers in 6 bunches of flowers. Now students, regrouping ones and tens. So it is Onam. A boat race is being held. There are 6 people in a boat. There are 26 boats. So how many people in all are taking part in the race? So students, in step first, multiply the ones by 6. You will get 36 ones. So when you regroup this, you will write 6 at the ones place and 3 as a carry. Now in second step, multiply the tens by 6. So students, then you get 12 tens. So students, 12 tens plus 3 tens equal to 15 tens. So there is 15 tens equals to 100 plus 5 tens. It means 156 people are taking part in the race. Now students, let's come to the last exercise of this unit, exercise 7.3. So students, you have to multiply here. So first of all, in step first, you will multiply 3 by 9 ones, and in step 2, you will multiply 3 by 2 tens. So students, all the steps I explained you very well. Now you have to do this yourself. So this is a homework for you, and I hope all the topics are clear to you all. So Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.